How's it going, guys? Welcome. Yo, yo, yo. Are we good? Are we good? Yeah, welcome, guys. Hope everyone's good. Welcome back to the stream. Let me just get this ready. Yes, then. Yeah, welcome, guys. Good to see you all. Hope everyone's good. Let me send that off. Dillo, welcome, mate. Good to see you. Tom, good to see you. Nanu, welcome. James, good to see you. Welcome, welcome, guys. Hope everyone's good. Winston, welcome, bro. Yeah, welcome, everyone. Yeah, well, I'll start breaking these charts down in a second. Start breaking these charts down in a second. Good to see everyone. How's it going? Yeah, Aaron, how's it going, man? Welcome. Let's see who's here, guys. Stick a comment, drop a comment in the chat. Good to see you all. Any questions? Let me know. Put it in the chat whilst we're waiting for this to sort out. But yeah, let's have a good session today, guys. Cheers for the likes. Appreciate it. Welcome, everyone. Just waiting for a few more to get in, guys. We'll start breaking these charts down. Yes, Big Joe James, how's it going? The music is a great compliment to the stream. I appreciate it. Just a little bit of background music can't hurt. Oh, guys, the London session longs has been amazing this week, especially on gold. I mean, I took these longs with the guys in the mentorship this morning, the guys in the community this morning. Look at it. Huge push. That was literally in like 1 30-minute candle. TP was smashed. Amazing stuff there. Yeah, welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, that's right. 37% I do, mate. We do London session Zooms and live trading in the chats and the private channels every day, basically. Well, it is every day. Let me sort this camera out a bit. Right, I'll start breaking gold down. Because, like I say, gold's in a position now where it's not really ready for any sort of trading just yet, because it's had this big push. But I'm interested in Nasdaq here. If Nasdaq on this 30, or even look at the hourly, if this hourly can close above, I'm going to be looking for some potential longs here on Nas. Just because the 30 is failing to push down from this level. I mean, if there's a decent rejection in a minute, maybe I'll take some half risk sells down at this level. But I'm really interested to see if I can get a closure above. If the closure, if I do get that closure above on the, the next 30 or the next hourly, I'll take some buys. If the 15 rejects, I might take some sells. Okay, because I want to see some momentum push down with Nasdaq here. Like I say, there's not much momentum pushing this down yet. There's no good rejections just yet. So I'm going to see how price action reacts to this level, what we're currently at. Yo, how's it going, guys? Good to see you all. Yeah, welcome, guys. Yeah, Paul, how's it going? Good to see you. Because if we look at Nasdaq now, where's the recent resistance? Well, there's some clear recent resistance here. It's as clear as anything. There's resistance here. Okay. And where is it showing? Yeah, it was showing. Where is the recent resistance to the downside? Well, you've got some recent support and resistance down here. Look to the left. Support, 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 resistance, resistance. So if I can break out of this zone to the upside, I'm going to be looking for some buys, really. Especially the hourly. The hourly is looking good to potentially come and take out these highs here. That would be nice. Yes, Dean. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What do you think of the ICT seek and destroy indicator? Seriously, mate, I don't understand what the seek and destroy is. The only thing that I know is search and destroy from like the Call of Duty days back in the day. Like, why does it sound like a Call of Duty option? Some of these indicators are crazy nowadays. Like, whatever happened to like moving average? Like the seek and destroy indicator, what? I don't use any indicators, guys. I keep my trading very simple. I literally just use levels and that's it. Breakouts and that's it. Yo, D, how's it going, man? Welcome. Yeah, good to see everyone here, guys. Good to see everyone here. Let's have a look at this. It shows whether it's going up and down. Is that not what the candles show me all that, mate? I'm going to be honest with you. Like, you've just said you want to find an indicator that tells you if the market's going up or down. I literally just read the candles. This morning on gold, I took these buys. Why did I take these buys? Because price broke above this level. It took liquidity, broke above the level. The candle close tells me to buy. Okay? That's enough for me to say, okay, I'm buying gold. One sec, guys. One sec. Yeah, that's enough to tell me. All I look at is the candle closes. It's enough. But yeah, this was the win on gold that I took. Do you recommend good indicators? No, I don't trade any indicators. How's your morning been, Joe? Good. Yeah, I caught these gold longs. Me too, Emmy. It was a good morning. I took 2 trades, 2 wins this morning with the guys in the community. Like I say, guys, it's not just me taking these wins. You know, if people come into the community, learn the strategy, they take these trades too. Okay, it's not something that you just see me taking because I've been trading for a long time. No. Yes, Owen, good to see you, man. Good to see you. When's news, Joe? 7 o'clock tonight. Yeah, 7 p.m. tonight. I'm waiting for this closure here on Nasdaq for potential entries. Maybe in a 15 minute there could be an entry here, but for now there's nothing. I mean, maybe a little risky buy, but I don't want to do anything here. Yes, Ty, good to see you, man. How's your day been? It's been good, mate. 2 wins, 2 trades, 2 wins. This win here on gold. I mean, if you trade risk to reward, that's a 6.5 risk to reward on that trade this morning. Everyone's smashing it in the community. Yeah, they are. It's good to see, though. It's very, very good to see. I mean, if I can get a breakout on the hourly here, I'd be happy to take some buys. Low risk buys on micros. See, why did the office next door always start, like, renovating stuff as soon as I jump on live? I'm sure they, like, wait for me to go live, and then they go, right, now, let's start moving stuff about. Super annoying. Yeah, both wins. One on Nasdaq. I took buys here on Nasdaq. Where was the buy I took this morning? It was in the London session with the guys on the Zoom call. With these buys here. You see how it's pushing up? I literally took, yeah, I mean, if you held it, you're probably in some decent profit now. I got out at like $500 profit. We can't hear it. All good. Yeah, sound. Nice one. So yeah, 2 trades, 2 wins for me, guys. Just waiting for Nasdaq to do its thing here now. Yeah, it's super annoying though. It's like, chill out. Yeah, it should do, man. It should do, Ty. We'll see. We'll see. What broker should I go with TradingView? The broker that I use, you can use TradingView with it. I mean, you don't have to use the one that I use. If you want to use the one that I use, drop me a DM on here, and I'll send you a I'll send you the name of the broker I use on here. Basically, just send me a DM on here if you want to know what broker I use. I'll just send you the name of it. All good. I mean, you don't have to use it. You can do if you want. If you don't want to, sweet. If you do, and you want to know which one I use, just send me a message. 1 month in the community and already 65% win rate and a 1.3k payout in 5 days on Express. A legend. Great work, man. That's what we like to see. It proves everything. It proves everything. Literally proves everything. Thanks for the giveaway account. It's come through. Yeah, good work, man. Yeah, guys. If you did win it, you would have been you'd have been sent it. You'd have been sent it. I've got another one. I'm gonna give another one out later. I'm just gonna do it myself though. It's only one account. How much is the course? It depends, mate. I have monthly, every 3 months, and yearly. I mean, if you do monthly, it's like £60. What time did you catch the longs? The longs was here, mate. About when I jumped on for the members Zoom at about 8 o'clock. Jumped off the members Zoom at 9:30, but we caught some longs on Zoom here. I mean, it's pushed a lot. Look, 8 o'clock, we jumped on the members Zoom and we took these longs. I'm out. I got out of them at break even though. But this one's running. Partial win and break even, but gold's running nicely. How do you... Dillo, I just randomly pick them when I'm on stream. Randomly pick them. I mean, I've give like 10 away in the last 2 months, which is good. Yeah, guys, smash the like as well. If you haven't already and you're new to the stream, smash a like, smash a follow as well. I go live every day in the US session for about an hour and a half every day. Trade my session. You'll see me take wins, losses, break evens, but you will see what it takes to be a profitable trader on these streams, okay? Like I say, I don't sit here and I don't say I win every trade. No, my win rate's about 70%. So you will see me take losses, but trading is about not only wins, it's about losses as well, okay? So yeah, I'm waiting for this hourly to close for some potential buys on Nasdaq. I'll be looking for something like, let me show you, something like this. Something like this for it to push into these highs. Am I in gold trade? No, I'm not anymore. It hit TP. Smash TP. I could actually take another payout if I wanted to. I can actually take another payout already if I want. Should I take another payout? It won't be much. It'll be like 1,300 or something. But I can take another payout. That'd be like 5 payouts in like 10 days. I might grow it a little bit. I might get like a little bit more and then take one. Yeah, do it. Yeah, I might take another. I don't know. I might grow it because I've already had a payout on this account, so I don't really need to squeeze a payout. So, like I say, with Nas, if Nas can have that breakout on the hourly, I'll take some buys, okay? That's the plan. See if I can get that breakout now. Breakout and push. That's what I'm looking for, the breakout and push. So annoying. Like, next door just banging as soon as I'd go live. It's not about that if you can hear it or not. It's, like, hard to even concentrate as well. What buffer do I tend to leave? I tend to build it up to, like, $3,000 and then take, like, maybe, like, 1,500 each time. Yeah. So yeah, like my account's like 2,800 now. Could I take 1,400? I could do, but I might just grow it up to like 4 or something, then take 2. I don't need to take a payout. I've taken 4 payouts in this month. I've taken 4 payouts alone this month. So I don't need another payout. Like, if I didn't have 4 payouts already in like 2 weeks, then probably I would have taken it, but I don't need to take it. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you do. Knock, knock. Who's there? So yeah, let me see this 15, guys. If the 15 can close, or even the 30 can close bearish rejecting, I'm gonna take some sells on Nas for a little pullback at this level. You know, if the candle can, you know, close bearish, something like this. Let's say it closes bearish like this. I can take some sells down then. From like here, stops can be on the level, looking just to play the range. Something like this. So yeah, that's the plan. Yo, Joris, good to see you, man. How's it going? Yeah, it's quite simple to get a payout with top one. It's like reach 6% profit, get a payout. It's not that hard really. It's like one or 2 rules. What chart is it? This is the Nasdaq chart, mate, or US 100. I'm just waiting on this 30 close to potentially take some trades here. Yeah, so basically, if this can close bearish, I might try some risky sells, very low risk down, something like this, because there's still liquidity that's been left up here, you see. There's still liquidity that's been left up here. So if I do start selling, I don't want really my... I'd have preferred a liquidity grab up here first. What am I on? Guys, if you want to know what chart I'm on, just look in the middle of the screen on TikTok. You can see US 100 and you can see the time here. Can you see? That's what I'm on. Okay? If I switch it, it'll switch as well. So if I switch to gold, it will move to gold. Can you see? Yeah, I use the 30 and 15 mainly, Javi, bro. Both the same. Both the same. Both the same, yeah. Because, like, the 15 and the 30 are super clean. Like, they both trade just as well. They both work really well together. Yeah, cheers to the lights, guys. I appreciate you all. If you got any questions, drop me a question in the comments as well. Currently just waiting for this 15 to close here now. 15 and 30 closes bearish. I'm going to take some sells. Basically off this range. My tolerance for stupid people is wearing thin these days. Nah, like I say, I've got a lot of patience, to be honest with you. Like, the better I've become as a trader, and when I got profitable as a trader, my patience got really good. Even, like, with the, you know, with going live, and, yeah, you do have to deal with some questions that are, like, questionable, but it's like people are at different... I understand that people are at different stages. I'm not bothered. Any question's fine. I mean, if it's a question to try and attack what I'm doing here on live and bring me down, I just don't answer. I just ignore it. But yeah, yeah, I'm very patient, should I say, in trading and in life. That's the thing, though. When you become a profitable trader, guys, your life just automatically, every part of your life just automatically, like, gets better, if that makes sense. Like, you know, when you get profitable and you start seeing more money, that obviously helps. You start getting more patient. You know, you don't let little things annoy you. That's something else. Like, little things just don't annoy me as much. Gibbo, how's it going, man? Good to see you. What's the 15:30 hourly? Apologies, I'm new, mate. Never apologize for asking a question. You know, that's why I come on here for an hour and a half every day. to give back some free value. But the 15, 30, and hourly is just the candle closes. So I use the 15, the 30, and the hourly as my closes to enter a trade. Okay. I follow you on TikTok because there's a lag, only 45 seconds, but here's about 20 seconds. Yeah, fair enough, man. Fair enough. How was London session? London session was great, mate. Gibbo. That was the trade I took in London. I mean, beautiful trade, yeah? Beautiful trade. Is one of the videos in the course, Joe? What do you mean, mate? On time frames that I look to enter on? Or do you mean on the entry type here? The course in the community includes everything to learn the full strategy, yeah. So if you any questions about the strategy, it's all in the course, but you can feel free to ask a question here too. It's all good. Gold needs to pull back a little bit. I think Nasdaq does as well. That's why I'm going to try some low risk sells on Nasdaq in a minute. Yo, Harry, how's it going? Welcome. Bro, are you British? Yes, I am. I'm British. Very. I don't give the full course out here. Like, I give, like, little gems now and again. You see me trade live. I'm going to set a sell stop here. Ah. Need to get used to the... I need to get used to the... thingy. I'm gonna put it just a little bit below here. Let me move this out of the way. Let me move this to like 2. What would the stop loss be on 2? It's hardly anything. Yeah, I'm just gonna risk like very low here. Yeah, this is a risky sell, guys. I'm only taking this just to see if Nasdaq can come and push back into these lows before pushing higher. This is a very risky half risk sell. I'm basically taking it just based off the 15. It could definitely, let me just push that up. It could definitely take me out very quickly here, and I'm open to that. That's why I'm only using like 2 micros. Basically, what I'm gonna do is if this can flip bearish, I'm just gonna hold it into these lows. Once it starts pushing down, I'll just go break even and see if it's gonna push further. You know, maybe down into some lows like here. But this is risky. Okay, this is a risky trade. Oh, what's it doing here? Order is not appropriate for this type. Oh. What's it doing? Has it tagged me in? I don't know if it's tagged me in or not. That should have been the trade anyway. It's annoying. No way it hasn't tagged me in. No way it hasn't tagged me in. Nightmare. I think I need to alt I need to I think I need to alt them. I think, yeah, but that's the trade. It hasn't tagged me in. I think it's something to do with my trade copier. Yeah, it's something to do with my trade copier, but that's the trade, guys. It's pushing down now, which is annoying, but it is what it is. Yeah, if you got in, it's a nice trade, guys. It's just a half for a sell on Nas. I think it's something to... No, I can't just manual enter because it's not my strategy to manually enter. It's my trade copier. I must have my trade copier in wrong, which is annoying. I'll have to check that after the stream. I can execute on here for now, though. Just like market execute if I see something. I can't manual enter now, though. But yeah, it's pushing down. It's unlucky. I'm trading like 3 instant accounts with another prop firm. I'll release which prop firm later. Yes, Tucker, how's it going, mate? Good to see you. Yeah, it's so annoying. You saw that live, guys. The problems that you get sometimes. That's just trading though. That's just trading. Yeah, so basically, I haven't... Right, basically, the reason it hasn't entered me in is because when I entered the trade copier, I need to link the accounts to this chart here to trade this chart. And this isn't the chart that's on my trade copier, it's NQ instead of MNQ. So I need to go back onto the trade copier after the live and add micro Nasdaq. So, yeah, I would be in this trade now. Yeah, I would be in this trade now, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm going to say I am in, guys, because I would be in if it accepted the order. It's just unlucky. Yeah. So annoying. That would have been a W on stream as well. So annoying. Anybody else managed to catch it? Anybody else managed to catch it? So annoying. Yeah, I'd be break even now on this. I'd be break even. Pure annoying. I need to... let me go on to Trade Sync now. Why is it not... See, it says it's connected. Yeah, I mean, yeah, what annoying. That's annoying. So annoying. So annoying. I mean, there's not much I can do there, guys. TP smashed. W's in the chat if you caught it. W's in the chat if you caught it. Let me know who caught it, guys. Stick a W in. Let me see. Yeah, good stuff, guys. Good stuff. What strat do I use? Just rejections of levels. Good call out. Yeah, we do it every day, guys. Look at the gold trade I took this morning in the chat. This isn't anything new to us. Like, not in a cocky way. Not in a cocky way. It's just like we catch these quite regularly. Like, I caught this on gold today. Like, this was called on gold today. Simple stuff, really. So annoying though. I've got beef now with TradingView. Got beef with TradingView. Standard procedures definitely took a... Thank you. £67 enough to subscribe to your community. Get inside, George, bro. Literally, guys, you've probably all made enough to subscribe and actually learn what I do every single day. It's like a free ticket to come and learn everything. TP would be down here for me. Yeah, TP would be down here. W's. Yeah, beautiful. Why is it... I don't understand why it didn't let me use sell stops. Like, watch this. When I try to put a sell stop in... Let's see if it lets me do it now. I tried putting a sell stop in before and... Yeah, it didn't work. What levels do I use? Basic support and resistance, mate. But I've got, like, entries to my playbook. Just closed it, nice. Yeah, it's too late to enter now, man. Yeah. I don't enter a trade once it's gone. Guys, that's 3 for 3 today. That's 3 trades, 3 wins. Insane stuff. I mean, I've been live for 37 minutes and we've caught this banger. Insane stuff. I mean, I don't know how many... There's obviously a couple of people out here giving free stuff like this, but I mean, there's not many giving, like, clean 3 risk to reward trades like this. Low risk. Nice, Fabio. Good work. I'm definitely taking that payout now just to make myself feel better. So annoying. I've got beef with TradingView already. Like, why is it so hard to link accounts and just trade with linked accounts on TradingView? Like, I've just lost like maybe like $1,000 there. Bro, this is Nasdaq, not gold. Yeah, I know it's Nasdaq, mate. I mean, I took a win on gold this morning. Look. I was talking about the gold win that I took this morning. But like I say, 3 for 3 on gold Nasdaq. Why did it not tag me in? Give us a flex. Made $84, nice. Do I explain my strategy anywhere? Yeah, you can learn my full strategy in the mentorship. I go live in the mentorship in the London session as well. Oh, the full course is there, so you can learn the strategy. You've got the Zooms, the live Zooms, where you can watch me trade in the mentorship as well. What time do I go live? 12:30 UK time every single day. What's the best time frame to place a trade? There's no answer to that. It's whatever works for you. 15 and 30 works the best for me. I made $5, Joe. Nice, nice. Asked like 100 questions, ignored everyone. No, I haven't ignored anyone, mate. If I can't see your question, I can't answer it. It's as simple as that, mate. I mean, look at that trade, man. Look at that trade. Insane stuff. What do I trade on? This is TradingView. Yeah, this is TradingView. Look at that. That's a beautiful sniper trade, that. Goated. Nice one, bro. Yeah, I'll probably take full TP at this level, to be honest with you. As soon as price comes into here, I'll just take full TP. So annoying that it didn't take me, and I'm really not sure why it did it. But, I mean, it is what it is. How much would it have been? Let's have a look. How much would it have been? So, it's not much. Like, maybe like $700, maybe? Yeah, $700. Is that fair value gap? I don't trade fair value gaps, mate. This is just a level of resistance. Something that you need to understand as well is that people who say they trade fair value gaps and supply and demand, it's just levels of support and resistance in the market. Look at this. Resistance, resistance. That's it. Could it be a fair value gap? Yes, it could. But you're overcomplicating support and resistance. You're literally just overcomplicating basic support and resistance, okay? Pre-open trading, laughing face, pointy finger, pointy finger, pointy finger, laughing face, laughing face. Cool, Nikki. What a comment. You gotta love the comments. They come in and they go, why is this guy winning on Nasdaq? Why is he winning pre-market open and I'm not? I'm angry now. Why has he just called out a 60 point banger in front of 150 people live and I haven't taken it? Fuming. I'm fuming. So yeah, they have to comment. When did you start becoming profitable? Like, after 3 years of losing. Yeah, after like 3 years of losing. Yeah, I'd have taken full TP on this, to be fair, guys. Probably like here. like 50, 40, 50 points. I'm sorry. Yeah, he's gone. He's gone. To be fair, you're very consistent. I come across your trades a lot. I appreciate it, man. Did you work a full... Yeah, I did. When I was unprofitable, I worked a full-time job for like 3 years. Yeah. Yeah, I did. Unfortunately. But you got to do what you got to do, guys. It's as simple as that. You funded? Yeah, I'm funded with like 700k funding, guys. Yeah, it's like 700k. And do I get payouts? Yes, I do. I've taken like 6 payouts in the last month. I don't do many different pairs, mate. I trade 2 pairs. I trade gold and Nasdaq. I only trade 2 pairs, and I take about 2 to 3 trades a week, a day. Sorry. Has there been times they reject a payout? Yeah, I got rejected a payout like 3 years ago when I was trading Forex. But since I started trading futures, I haven't been rejected. Touch wood. I haven't been rejected a payout. What's the main thing that made me profitable? Keeping it simple and trading a plan. Yeah, keeping it simple and trading a plan. A simple plan. A lot of people don't keep it simple. A lot of people overcomplicate it. Like, seriously, guys, I hear people who trade ICT, they go, daily bias, rejected a fair value gap, 50% premium discount, SMT divergence. I'm like, guys, come on. No wonder you're struggling. Like, you're struggling. I understand why, and I know why. Is because you're trying to overcomplicate everything. You're trading like 15 confluences. Like, just chill. Keep it simple. I literally trade like breakouts of ranges, look. Bang. Literally just trade out breakouts and rejections of ranges. Simple as it needs to be. Look at my chart. There's 2 levels on my chart. It's not... I'm not reinventing the wheel. I'm not creating science. Like, some people's screens and strategies literally look like a science project. It's crazy. I can vouch Joe is the most consistent trader on YouTube. I don't want to say that, but I mean, we're real, we're honest, transparent, and profitable. Maybe not the most consistent, maybe, I don't know, but transparent and profitable, that's what we are. That's the thing, there's a lot of traders on here who aren't transparent. Like, they don't show payouts, they don't show the P&L, they don't show live trades. It's like, it's pointless even watching them. Plan your trade the plan, 100%, man. Super key. So yeah, TP got hit there, guys. Nothing too complicated with that trade. It was basically just a 5-minute, 15-minute rejection from the level. Okay. After this 15 closure, it's a good area to close the position, especially coming into a level like this. But that's 3 for 3 for me today. Okay, I took 1 trade here on Nasdaq for sells. I took a long here, a little partial win. Okay. Which is actually pushing in profit now. And gold as well. Gold hit TP. So yeah, can't really complain with the session or the day at all. 3 trades, 3 wins. I think I'm gonna be done there, but I'm gonna see if anything else sets up here. Guys on TikTok as well, head over to the YouTube Joe Trades, okay? Go and drop a subscribe on there. Yes, Joe, top trader, legend. How's it going, man? Good to see you. I mean, I'd be open to more sells on Nas below here. I would be open to more sells below here, but I mean, I've taken 3 trades. Can you explain why you took the gold trade? Yeah, it was quite simple, to be honest. It broke above this range. Can you see? Green candle closed above the range, and it had clear areas to trade into above. So it broke above the range. Can you see, guys, how I'm not overcomplicating the charts? Can you see how I'm not overcomplicating the charts? I'm simply waiting for price to break above a level, show volume, and I'm trading it into where there's clear liquidity, okay? Look at it. Breaks above, pushes into them targets. Simple as that. Same on here, look. Rejected the level, closed bearish, I took sells. Do I give setups? Yeah, we've just taken these, mate. We've just taken these on stream. Yeah, I need to work out why it didn't let me use a stop order there. Let me just try watch this. Watch it actually take me in now. Let me just try a sell stop here, see if it works. If it doesn't, if it does now, I'll be fuming. Yeah, so it's not working. It's like, what's it saying? Order price is not appropriate for this order. What? Am I summer? Order price is not appropriate for this. What? Right, yeah, I need to look into that. I need to look into that. There's always problems, guys. There's always problems. Someone can help me out. I appreciate it. It's not, mate. I know it's a sell stop. It's below, look. Sell stop. Look, sell. It's below current market price. Look, it's below. It's below current market price. Nah, it's not a limit. It's not a limit. It's definitely not a limit. I think it might be something to do with my trade copier. Hey Joe, why are you not trading Project X? Because I'm trading some new accounts on TradingView for now on stream. I mean, it would have been a great start. I'd be up like $300 on them all, but didn't take me in. Beautiful trade though, guys. Good work if you caught it with me. I'll have a play around with it. I might have to blow these accounts playing around with it though. Yeah, I do fancy this to push down further. How much was my first funded account payout? Maybe like $1,000, I think. Yeah, maybe like $1,000. Maybe if I do it like this, let me try this sell stop. Maybe if I do it like this, create limit order. Maybe something like this. Ah, now it's working. Right, I'll do it like that. Right, there we go. I'm gonna, guys, this is not a trade. I'm just gonna test one micro here. I'm just testing one micro. Right, let me just test this. I mean, it looks better, doesn't it? It looks better. I can delete that. No, it's not, Anton. It's not. This is a different prop firm that I'm using. Yeah, that's what I'm using now, mate. That's what I'm using now. I'm trying them. I started trying these. I bought these accounts like a week ago, so I just started using them. What would be the plan for gold? I mean, gold needs a little bit more time, really. I think that's how I need to do it, using them. Gold needs a little bit more time here, to be honest. Gold's had this big push to the downside. What I'd be saying or waiting for on gold, maybe just a range to form. There's some good targets to the upside here now. You can see good targets to the upside. So once this creates a range, I'd be looking to trade gold. How many hours do I trade per day? Like 3 hours maybe. I'm not always on the charts though. I only trade the live session on the charts, and then after that, I'm setting orders. What's my thoughts on the Project X fiasco? Oh, yeah, it's not ideal, but trading view's fine, even though it messed me up. Even though it messed me up. I'd be annoyed if I didn't already have a good day, but I've had a good day, so I don't really need to. Guys on YouTube, we've got 46 people watching. Let's smash 20 likes here. Come on. Or I'll end the stream immediately. We normally smash 30 likes, never mind 20. How old were you when I started trading? 20, mate. Yeah, 20. 18, sorry. I'm now 25. So yeah, I've been trading like 7 years now. 20, yeah, 18. Or just when I turned 18, I started learning. Am I trading the news? No, I've taken 3 wins today. I'm gonna chill out for news. Just gonna see if I can get like maybe a little entry on gold, maybe some buys if it can close bullish here after it creates this sort of resistance, but I'll see. You too young to be rich? Nah, never too young, mate. News incoming? Yeah, we've got news at 7 o'clock tonight, mate. Other than that, there's nothing. Yeah, I've taken longs on gold already, mate. I've already taken gold longs from down here. Already smashed TP on gold. I mean, I might take a little cheeky buy on gold if it can close bullish here. Just to test out my stop order. Problem is with gold now, there's not much to target. I mean, you'd be buying into nothing until it creates a range. I mean, if this can close bullish, maybe, but we'll see. Which is the best to use in the UK? Zara, drop me a DM on here. I'll send you the name of the one that I use. Yeah, send me a message on here and I'll send you the name of it. Can you explain why you took that trade that didn't work? It did work out, mate. Oh, do you mean on Nasdaq? Yeah. Basically, it was a 30-minute sell. Just signed up for your community. See you tomorrow on Zoom. See you tomorrow, bro. Welcome to the community. Basically, we're just a rejection of this level. So it rejected this level and took liquidity, look. Took liquidity, rejected the level. I took sells down. It was just a 30-minute half for a sell, really. Next setup for gold. I might take some longs on this next candle close here. On like 1 micro. I don't know why. Maybe sell, buy, stop. I don't know. Kind of confusing. Yeah, I'm just going to try a buy order here just to see if it works in a second. See if it can push up a little bit. Ba-da-ba. Where are we now? Ah. Gotta get used to this. Impossible. Right, let's see if it's going to do a buy stop here. Ah, it's working now. All right, it's working. I just wanted to try this out. That's why I'm doing... We'll do stop loss down here. There we go. Right, I'm going to... guys, the only reason I'm going break even now so early is because it was just a tester. I mean, am I going to get back my profit that I lost out on? Right then, there we go. 120 up. I'll take that any day. Bang, we're out. $140. Simple as that. Easy. Just a simple half risk buy trade. 4 trades, 4 wins on stream. I got back that money anyway. That was just a test. That was literally just a test trade and it worked out. Right, I think we're definitely done there now. At least it worked anyway. I know what I need to do now. I mean, the accounts are up. The accounts are strong now. Yeah, I entered long here. It was like a cheat. How many ticks were it? Like 50 ticks in and out. Yeah, nice work, guys. If you're in this trade as well, guys, insane. Good work. Yeah, if you want to see the full screen, it's in YouTube. Jaw Trades on YouTube, guys. I use 4 micros on that just to test it. Do I backtest? Not anymore. I used to when I first started. I don't backtest anymore. But yeah, not anymore. There's no need to. After entering a trade, why don't I check price action on the lower time frame? Because I don't need to, mate. If I get a valid entry on the 15, I'm simply going to enter on and manage it on the 15. Wow, what a trade. That was a quick win, that. That was a nice quick win. I like them trades, you know. I like them easy 50 tick wins. Like quick 50 ticks and done. If I enter a trade on the 15 or the 30, that's when I manage it on. It's as simple as that. I don't I don't mess about like micromanaging it on different time frames because it just doesn't make sense to. I mean, we kind of snipe that. Yeah, it's the little W to start the start the week off. Start the new accounts off. Is your TP a candle from before? Yeah. Lucky trade. No, this was valid, mate. It was just a quick trade because I was just testing. I don't need to trade. I've already taken 3 trades, 3 wins. I don't need to take another trade. I was just testing the buy stop to see if it were going to work on my linked accounts, and it did. So, yeah. It was still valid to the plan. I weren't going to test it on a random trade. I mean, it came down, it rejected the level and closed bullish. It's a valid trade. Just like the trade that I took up here. Yeah, I'm in. Nice, Harry. Good work. W for Saf too. Good. Good. Just entered chat. How's it going, Steph? Good to see you. I've just taken these longs here on these longs on gold. I'm out of the position. Yeah, I'm out of the position. I mean, these are still play. I mean, if you took these sells with me as well, they're still in. I mean, it's still playing out. Potentially could push lower. There is a decent range here on Nasdaq though. But I'm 4 trades, 4 wins, guys. So I'm gonna leave it there for me today. I've got to go and get my hair cut as well. My hair's getting long. That's why I've got my hat on. It's always long, to be fair. But yeah, I've got to go and get my hair cut. 4 trades, 4 wins for me. There's no need to overtrade the market anymore. But I'll be back tomorrow. George, drop me a DM on TikTok, mate. Drop me a DM on TikTok. Yeah, drop me a DM. I'll help you get into the mentorship. I'll help you get into... Guys, if you want to join the community and learn the full strategy that I trade, drop me a message on TikTok. If not, go and join the free Telegram. Link in the TikTok bio, okay? But like I say, I've taken 4 trades today. I've taken 3 trades, 3 wins. So... Oh, 4 trades, 4 wins, sorry. So I'm not overtrading this market. I'm done for the day. I'm going to update the members. Maybe post a little market and daily recap for today. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Peace out. Much love. Trade safe. See you tomorrow. Have a great one. W's. It's not always like this, guys. Don't think that the market is always going to give you wins. It's not. You just got to accept the wins, the losses, the break-evens. And over time, you're going to be profitable. But yeah, peace out. Bye-bye.